Good morning, the students of class 2. Now it's your grammar class. And now today you will learn common noun and proper noun first. Open at page number 18 and what is the heading? Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. Okay. Now first tell me what is the difference between common noun and proper noun. In the previous class we learned what is the difference between common noun and proper noun. Common noun means, okay, let's take an example. Boy, Raju. Boy, Raju. The name of a boy is Raju, but boy means any boy. Any boy. So common noun. But Raju, the name of a particular boy. So proper noun. Proper noun. Like river, Damodar, Damodar river. Okay. Damodar. Okay. River means any river. There are many rivers in the world. So river, any the name of any river, so common noun. And Damodar, the name of a special river. Not all rivers are Damodar. So it's proper noun. So now, have you got the difference between common noun and proper noun? So common noun means general name. Common noun, general name, and proper noun means special name or particular name. Special name. Okay. So now, have you got the difference now? You have to underline the common noun and encircle the proper noun. Juju is our pet rabbit. Juju, name of a special name and begins with a capital letter. So it's proper noun. So we will circle it and is our pet rabbit. Okay, underline the common noun rabbit. It's common noun. Okay, pet rabbit, common noun. Next, the Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. Victoria Memorial, name of a special building. Now, encircle it, Kolkata. Name of a city, particular city. So, it's proper noun, special name. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. Pacific Ocean, name of a particular ocean. So, proper noun or special name is the world. World means world, common noun. Ocean. Now it's ocean. Now, so common noun. Is that clear? So the difference between proper noun and common noun. Here are also other examples. Okay. Like Apurva likes to eat papayas. Apurva likes to eat papayas. Do you like papayas? Oh, okay, monkey likes papayas. Okay, now Apurva, what the name? Apurva likes to eat papayas. Okay, so Apurva, name of a boy, so it's special name, so proper noun. But papayas, name of any fruit. Okay, common noun. Is that clear? Okay. Now next chapter, singular and plural means one and many. It's very interesting chapter, one and many. You have also learned in class 1 one and many. Okay, one and many, singular and plural. difference between singular and plural. Singular means single. Singular means single or one. And plural means many or more than one. More than one. So now, if I write car, one or many car, only one car, so one, but many cars. Okay, cow, cows. Okay, monkey, monkeys. So what we have learned, all the words take s. Okay, so the first rule, we add an s to the nouns or naming words to make it plural. Okay, so car, cars, cow, cows, monkey, monkeys, book, books, pen, pens, book, books, chair, chairs, tables, tables. Okay, but now here are some other rules. The first rule is we add s. Okay, but the second rule, we also add first rule s by adding s, but the second rule by adding es. Okay, why do we add es? Some word, the words that end with s, ss, sh, ch, x. Okay, so the words end with s, ss, sh, ch, x. We add yes, like s, class. Do you read in class? Okay, class. So classes, classes. Why yes? Because the rules is the word that ends with s, ss, sh, ch and x. Then we add as. Okay, recite it like a rhyme. S, ss, sh, ch, x. S, ss, x. S-H-C-H-X. So class, classes, dress. Do you add school dress? Okay, dress. Double S, so dresses. Next, brush. Do you have toothbrush? Okay, brush, S-H. So now tell me the plural form. B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. C-H. Do you have watch, wristwatch? Watch paro, hate? Watch, ch. Okay, so watches. And x, box. Now tell me, B-O-X-E-S, boxes. X, end with x. Now tell me the plural form with fox. You can tell me. Yes, very good. Foxes, F-O-X-E-S, foxes. This is the rule. Second rule, by adding es, but not all the words take es. Only the words that end with s, ss, sh, ch and x. Okay, yes, to change from one to many or singular to plural. Okay. Now another rule. Y to is. If any word ends with a y, then we drop the y and is. For example, city. Y. So now what is the plural form? Cities. Is. Y. Is. Puppy. Do you like puppy? Y. So puppies. Here are also other examples in your book, so read the examples carefully. Now, another rules. Number 4, F or FE or F to VES. This is the rule. If any word ends with FE or F, then we drop the FE or F and add VES. For example, like knife, FE, so knives. K9 V-E-S. Okay. Another example, C-A-L-F, calf. Calf means, do you know what is calf? Calf means the young of a cow. Okay. So F, here F-E, F, calf, calves. Is that clear? Or here are also other examples in your book. Now read it at page number 23. Some words they don't take and is, yes or doesn't follow. Some words they don't follow the rules to change from one to many. Okay, look at these words. Like fast. Man. Do you know man? One. What is its many form or plural? Man. Okay. So the same word woman, women. Okay. Like child, children. Is that clear? Goose. Sorry. Goose, geese. Okay, so goose, geese. There are also some words in your book. Okay, you have to read the rule. And remember, there are also some words. There are also some words. They don't change when they change from one to many. The words are like one, many. Like sheep, many sheep. Fish, many fish. Deer, many deer. Aircraft, aircraft. Okay, these words don't change when they change from one to many. Like one sheep, one sheep. Okay, five sheep. Is that clear? One fish, 10 fish. One deer, 10 deer or 20 deer. Is that clear? So you have to read singular and plural carefully. Okay, thank you.